Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app and going straight to voicemail. Authenticate with your PIN or biometrics so you can change settings securely. Once authenticated, tap the voicemail settings or greeting section. This is where language and prompts live. Make sure your device has cellular or Wi-Fi active because network access is often required to fetch language packs. If an app-specific voicemail exists, open its settings instead. The goal now is to reach the language selection. You now choose the language option and pick the exact language or dialect you want because pronunciation and regional prompts differ. Once selected, press download or apply. Downloading may take a minute and uses data, so use Wi-Fi if possible. Make sure to confirm the selection and listen to a sample prompt when offered, because samples show how callers will hear the greeting. If the phone requires a restart to apply voice files, do it now to ensure all prompts update correctly. You finish by saving settings and recording or enabling the greeting in the new language so callers hear the right prompts. Once done, immediately test by calling your number from another phone to confirm prompts, menu labels, and the voicemail transcription, if used, are correct. If anything sounds wrong, restart the device, re-download the voice pack, and reapply the language. If problems persist, contact your carrier, because some voicemail systems enforce language settings server-side and need their support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.